Good morning. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. I am out in the garden and I was doing a walkthrough. I knew my radishes were ready, but I was kind of waiting for the ground to dry up. And so this is what I'm going to be doing. Harvest. A couple of them were still a little small, but I'm going to go ahead and harvest because I wanted to use, this is a nice size, I want to use this space to plant some more Swiss chard. I hope I didn't keep it in the ground a little too long. My soil is really soft, so the radishes are really easy to come up. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at that. Nice ones too. Radishes are really good. You could prepare them with a nice little salad, or you can make soup. I do have a video on how I prepared my red radishes. So if you have time, I encourage you to go through my cookbook playlist and check that out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this harvest, but you know I'm gonna find something. So, and there was a couple of little ones. I'm gonna probably leave those in there. I'll leave that in there. But I am going to go, I don't know what this is, if it's a weed. I'll leave it. I have so much seeds. Right here I have the celery. I planted some celery. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and plant some Swiss chard in this area. Thanks for watching. As always, be kind, stay loving, and stay healthy. Stay tuned to see what I do with this radish harvest.